In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save project on Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an idea into a saved, published project and where to find it afterward. Start on the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you'll kick off the process. Once you're there, look for the Ask Lovable option. This is the assistant panel that helps you spin up a project from a simple description. Go ahead and open it. In the prompt box, type a clear, concise description of what you want to build. Think of this like giving a teammate your best one-paragraph brief. Focus on the core goal, any key features, and the general style or stack if that matters to you. The more specific your intent, the better the initial draft you'll get. You don't need to overthink it. Start with the essentials and you can refine later. When your prompt looks good, submit it by pressing enter. This sends your request to Lovable and starts the build process. Give it a moment to process and generate your project. You'll see the results appear on the screen with the assets and structure created from your prompt. Once you're happy with what you see, click Publish. This is the key action that saves your project in a persistent, accessible state. Think of Publish as locking in a version you can return to, share, or iterate from later. If you're still experimenting, you can choose to publish now and continue refining. Publishing ensures your work is stored with all the generated components. After publishing, head to the All Projects area. This takes you to your full project library. It's the best place to confirm that your project is saved and to keep things organized as your workspace grows. Inside All Projects, you can view everything you've created. Use the search bar if your list is long. Searching by the title or a unique keyword helps you find your new project quickly. This view also gives you a clear snapshot of what's available so you can open the project you just published, revisit earlier versions, or jump into another build. That's it. Start from the dashboard, use Ask Lovable to describe what you want, submit your prompt, publish to save, then open All Projects to find and manage your work. Follow this flow each time you want to create and save a new project, and you'll always know exactly where to find it.